For this week's showcase, we wanted to build a smart gaming controller and demonstrate how easy it is to set up and use. Tilt Invaders is a little game we created to help show the functionality of our project. As you can see, the plug-and-play boards allow the footprint of the actual controller to be very small. This tiny package includes our 3-axis accelerometer. The vibration motor and buzzer are mounted with extra space so they touch the base of the controller. Using offset nuts is a simple way to achieve a strong and parallel connection when mounting multiple DB boards. We soldered and wrapped a connector for the LEDs and powered the whole project with a USB battery backup. Standoffs were cut to rest the vibe motor on the base. For the display, we mounted 25 LED strips with our simple strip connectors and ran a couple feet of wire to the connector. As Ted will show, the game is very easy to set up. Simply find a place for your display where you can see it easily, then run the cord down to the controller. It plugs directly into a snap connector that's one direction only, so you won't misplace the plug. Then press the center button and a countdown begins on the clock. Once the enemies start to arrive, you simply tilt the controller at the enemies as they show up and fire when they arrive underneath of your black mark or your ship in the game. The enemies approach more rapidly with time, going from green to yellow to red, and if they aren't fired on before the end of the cycle, the game will be a loss. Even my old man had a good time playing the game. We won't say how many times it took, but he finally got away with the W.
Thank you for giving him close. Woo!
However, watching little Lexus and her father Larry had to be the best experience of all.
Oh, you're so close.
You got it. Is Daddy good at it?
No.
Yeah, I am.
I saw you lose.
Yeah, after I got super good at it.
You're gonna die.
Aw.
And on that note, until next week, happy hacking.